Start with a light resistance band and put one end of the band on your foot, reaching with your leg, and your other leg is bent with your foot on the floor. Take a handle of the band on the opposite hand so that it remains open and the band rests between your first finger and your thumb. I don't want you to grip your hand, so keep everything relaxed here. Gripping often makes your neck and upper shoulder muscles fire, which we do not want. Reach with your straight leg and squeeze your bottom, keeping both glutes engaged. Tuck your chin and keep your rib cage in the same position throughout the exercise. As you exhale, try to get your thumb to the floor. This should give you a great stretch through the chest, and you should feel like your shoulder blade is trying to slide down your back onto the floor as you reach back. The muscle in your chest, just below the shoulder, should stay soft through the entire exercise, and you can hold it to feel what it's doing as you move your arm. Don't let it take over when you bring your arm back up. Your back should continue to work here. Inhale with 360-degree rib expansion. Arm comes up towards the ceiling, chest relaxes, and pelvic floor relaxes down. On the exhale, bring your ribs in and down. Squeeze those bottoms and reach your arm towards the floor. Contract your pelvic floor upwards.